All right, let's look at the homework 8.5, problem number 5. All right, let's evaluate this integral here. All right, so I'm going to use a substitution here. I'm going to let u be cosine of x. All right, so we're going to call this guy u. All right, so let's go through the usual drills. So du over dx is equal to negative sine of x. All right, then we take the reciprocal of both sides, so you have a dx over du is equal to 1 over negative sine of x, and then multiply through by du as usual. So dx is equal to negative du over sine of x. Alright, so this is going to be equal to, alright, so we have a number, it's a constant in front, 5/3, so just a number, so I'll just put it outside. And also there's a actually, maybe I'll do that later. So you have an integral, right? So I'm going to leave the sine of x as it is, and over, alright, cosine is now called du squared, and dx is a negative du over sine of x. Alright, so we can cancel sine of x on top and the sine of x on the bottom, and I can probably bring this negative sign outside. Alright, so you're going to get negative 5/3, alright, integral, alright. I don't like the way this is written, so I'm going to rewrite it as a u to the, so u sits in the basement, so it's a negative power, so squared. And then this is with respect to u. Alright, so it's just a power rule, so negative 5/3 sits in front, and I'm going to add 1 to the power, so it's negative 1. Divide by that power. Alright, so you have plus some constant c. Alright, so you have a negative sign and negative 1 on the bottom cancel out. So you're going to get, so 5 lives upstairs, 3 lives downstairs. U is going to live downstairs, but the u is originally cosine, so I'm going to put the cosine of x downstairs, plus some constant c. Right? But if you want, if you have 5 over 3, then you have a reciprocal of cosine is secant. So it's a secant of x plus c. Right? So let's type it in. So we have 5/3 secant of x. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.